Hi everyone, this is Anna with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff. Normally you just get to see my hands. Today we'll give you a little treat. You get to see my face. But I wanted to come on and thank you, or you can see my face, for helping me achieve my first $100,000 in sales with Stampin' Up. If you've been following along, you know I've been working for this especially hard here the last few weeks. And I did it yesterday. I got that order that pushed me over $100,000, which is kind of crazy, a little hard to believe. I never really set my sights on that. I just, worked and worked and worked, and here we are, and it's pretty exciting. But I wanted to come on and thank you. For those of you who follow along with what I do, like and share and comment on things, and especially those of you who order from me, I want to thank you for that. Those are the things that help my business. If any of you are watching along who are new and haven't done any stamping, or maybe you've done some stamping and just haven't been a part of my groups, I want to welcome you in. I have my groups on social media where I share a lot of things. I have my classes, either in person or the ones that I've been offering virtually, which have been a lot of fun. And also my team. I have a team of amazing women, and we love to get together virtually once a month, and a little bit less often we get together in person, but that is a group that I really enjoy too. So if having a discount on your products or doing something kind of like what I do sounds amazing to you, then let me know. I would love to welcome you into that group as well. So once again, thank you for helping me achieve this in my business. I really look forward to the future. I have tons of things, ideas that roll around up here in my head all the time. Us creative types, we just don't have a shortage of ideas, if you know what I mean. So I have lots of things planned for the future, and looks like I have somebody joining in my video right now. What do you want to say? Hi. Hi. So I do my Stampin' Up business for myself. It's something I get a lot of satisfaction out of. I do it for these little people as well, and for the family. So I thank you for the support, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day, everyone.